Nature has a way of reclaiming what we leave behind. A 1970s legend, lost to the rust. Decades of decay. Every flake of rust tells a story of neglect and a chance for a new beginning. The first wash is always a revelation. Beneath the grime, the soul of the machine starts to breathe again. Taking it down to the bones, it's loud, it's messy, and it's exactly where the real work begins.
Stripped, sanded, and primed. This is the blank canvas before the transformation. Piece by piece, the Honda CB350 returns. Precision meets passion in every bolt. From a forgotten relic to a rolling masterpiece. Some things are just too iconic to let fade away.